guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. The Ipsy Glam bag is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's glam bag, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this glam bag to try. All right, you guys. So I am so excited to show you this month's glam bag because it is my favorite yet. But before we get to the bag itself, we have the little card that it came with. And it says, October 2024, Beauty Nightmares. Overplucked brows, scary haircuts, chemical peel horror shows, we've all been there. Our beauty traumas unite us and remind us that our mistakes and misadventures are just part of our journey to self-expression. All Halloween month long, join us as we celebrate that weird and wonderful in all of us with everything you need to slay spooky season. Get ready, something weird this way comes. And on the inside of the card, it says Meet the Queen of Mystery and Makeup, and it's highlighting Bailey Sarian. And then it also says Wicked Good Creator Alert and is highlighting Thirst. It's also serving you some Halloween makeup looks that you can recreate this season. All right, you guys, so without further ado, let's jump into this makeup bag. I am in love. Oh my gosh, this is right up my alley. I have so much house decor that is literally the same exact theme. And you guys check out the zipper, how adorable. It's a little crystal ball. And then you have the Ipsy tag right there. This is so cute and definitely my favorite bag yet. The inside is a hot pink and the outside is that leathery, pleathery kind of material. So the first product in this month's Ipsy Glam bag is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. Next we have Moonslice Beauty, and this is their blush in the shade Beautiful. This is designed in sunny California and vegan and cruelty-free. Here is what the blush looks like outside of its packaging, and it is so beautiful, and I do have this on my cheeks today. Next in this month's Ipsy Glam bag, we've got the Toy Factory Mini Oat Bay. This is a hyaluronic oat milk oil makeup remover, and I am so excited to try this out. It looks a little something like this. It's got kind of like a little dropper top. And it is formulated with oat milk, so not only is it going to remove your makeup, but it's also going to nurture and calm your skin as well. Plus, it's got that hyaluronic acid, so it's also going to restore your skin's barrier. Next in this month's glam bag, we've got the Beauty for Real Define Lip Liner in the shade Neutral. My only issue with this lip liner, you guys, is it's a little deceiving. Right here, it looks like a beautiful terracotta kind of color. And then when it goes on the lip, it turns almost kind of mauve-y. But it's so strange because when it's swatched, it is exactly identical to how it looks on the pencil. So yeah, it looks totally different swatched than it does on my lips. Maybe that's just my lips, I don't know. But yeah, if you're gonna purchase this or if you get it in your Ipsy Glam bag, just know that ahead of time. Last but not least in this month's Ipsy Glam bag, we've got the Dew of the Gods Sorbet Mini. This is a hyaluronic lip butter, and it is in the flavor or shade Strawberry Mandarin. This feels so nice going on the lips, you guys. It is just so... I just love this formula. Very nice. Very slightly tinted, but for the most part, a clear lip balm. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam bag. I don't know about you, but I am in love with this month's bag. I'm going to be rocking it all season long for Halloween. I am in love. I will even be rocking this after Halloween as well. I mean, just check out my water cup here. Totally the same vibe. I'm obsessed. With the Ipsy Glam bag option, you get 5 deluxe beauty samples. Subscribers choose one product, Everything in the bag is worth up to $70, and it's only $14 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another glam bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.